Hello, you beautiful souls and Knotty-Creatives. Today I got my practice hand. Well, I've had the practice hand, but I actually opened it up today. So I got it today, opened it up, you know what I mean, set it up, and I wanted to do a quick acrylic nail set, just to see, spruce up what I got going with my little amateur skills. So I started up, and right here you just see me, I was using the drill just to like get the oily off of the nails that it came with, and then I'm using this swipe by Young Nails to get it like dehydrated and get the lint off. And I'm also using this Young Nails protein bond. So this is pretty much what I do with my nails as well when I do my acrylics. I think I have about 2 or 3 acrylic nail videos that I've done on myself so far, so you guys can definitely check that out down in my TikTok videos. It's down there somewhere, but yeah, right here I'm just putting the tips on. And I wanted to use white tips because the clear tips I'm going to use for myself, so the white tips I never really used them, so this turned out perfect for me to be able to use them on the practice hand. But yes, look how they're looking so far. Okay, and then now I'm going to drill the base of where the tip meets the finger technically, or the nail, so that it can not be like a big bump, and it can just blend seamlessly when I put the acrylic powder on. Guys, I was so excited doing this whole process because it's like huge amateur moment. Like, I love trying new things. I love to learn new things. If you're like me, definitely give me a like and follow me, because I do weird, quirky stuff, amateur things all the time. So you'll definitely love my channel, or my page, or whatever you call TikTok. But yeah, here I'm just putting on the dehydrator and also primer, and then I'm using this red. Okay, so from here I'm going to let you guys watch me. Like, I'm doing so good, guys. I'm a beginner, but hey, I'm not gonna let that stop me, So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Okay, and here is what they are looking like after I apply the acrylic. Okay, so here I'm just going ahead and filing down the sides because some of the tips were a little bit larger than the actual nail bed. So I'm just filing that part down just to make sure everything is even and symmetrical. And here I'm just going to go ahead and file down the top as well with the drill. You just want to make sure everything is pretty much even. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going back with my lint-free wipes and this swipe just to get off all the like debris and lint and everything like that. And I'm going to go in with these gold flakes. Okay, but guys, what I did, I'm such an amateur, because why was it that when I started trying to put the gold flakes on, they weren't really sticking when I was using the wax stick? So I was just trying to like spread them around to see if they would stick on there. Guys, I legit had to YouTube how to put gold flakes on nails, but there is nothing wrong with like not knowing and having to look stuff up and just learn. Like, it's all part of the process. It is all part of the process. Sometimes you feel dumb, but hey, you can't, that's the risk you have to take. Okay, so yeah, I finally looked it up, and that's what I'm doing here. They technically said that you have to put on a base coat and cure it which is what I'm doing. I'm using my UV lamp, and then once you cure it and it's like a little bit sticky, that's when you add the gold flakes and you like, you know, press them down into the nail. But you see how much better this is than what I started off doing, guys. Like, what? So yeah, so that's what all you have to do. So I went ahead and did the rest of the nails, put the base coat on and cured them, and then added the other flakes. And here I'm just adding the top coat to all of the nails. Guys, I really cannot believe, like, well, I can't believe it because you know what? I put in the time, the effort, and sometimes you got to give yourself a pat on the back, okay? Don't sit there and doubt yourself or the new skills that you can learn and things that you can do, okay? But look at this, guys. It's super cute. Like, it's a super cute, super, like, it's so cute. It's really cute. So, yeah, I got to do my nails now. Hello, you beautiful Knotty-Creatives. So I'm done with my mannequin hand, as you guys can see in the back. Okay, I do have a little video on how I did that on my page, but now it's time for me to actually do my nails because they are long overdue. So yeah, here I'm just pushing my cuticles back. And then I'm using these cuticle cutters to get my excess cuticles and things off, the excess skin. Definitely have to be careful at this part, so I don't recommend this for, you know, kids or whatever like that. But yeah, so that's what I did. And then here I'm grabbing the drill so I can get off the oil and shine off of my nail beds. Okay, so I'm just going through and doing all the nails here, and my nail beds are super small, guys, like super small. And then here I'm just clipping my nails. You don't want to clip it all of your nails off. You just want to give it a good amount so that the tips can adhere to it. Okay, then I'm going in with the swipe to take off the debris and all the dirt from me drilling. Okay, so now it's tip time. We gotta glue those bad tips on. Not literally bad, but you know, glue the tips on. And the colors that I'm working with are the ones you see right there in the back next to the dappen dish, which looks like the crown. Okay, so I've got the tips on. Now I'm grabbing my what do you call this? It's a nail clipper technically, but for acrylic nails. Okay, so I'm getting the length that I want, and I normally go for like medium, okay, in between small and medium, just because my nail beds are super small, and I crochet and do hair too, and I braid my son's hair and do, you know, tons of dishes and all that stuff. So I like to make sure it's a good length and nothing too crazy. So here I'm going in with the Young Nails protein bond. Okay, and I did forget to actually drill down the tips where they met the base of my my nail bed. So I'm going ahead and, you know, drilling that down so that it's not too bulky or anything like that when I add the acrylics. Here is part 2 of me doing my acrylic nails. So from where we left off, I added the tips and trimmed them to the length that I wanted, which was medium. And I just added the protein bond. And here I'm adding a small layer of clear acrylic as the first layer, just so that whenever it's time for me to like do a balance, I don't have to like completely take off everything, but I can just go down to the clear layer and then I'll be able to add more color that way. So that was a tip I definitely learned from the pros. So yeah, these are the colors that I'm working with. This is super, super gorgeous. Like, I love the way this is. This is like a nice coral type of shimmer. Like, look how that just glosses onto the nail, guys. I really love this, and this was part of the unboxing that I did a few videos down, so you guys can definitely check that out, where I was sounding like a chipmunk. But yeah, I really love this, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me. And for the sequins, I really never do, like, it's very rare for me to do acrylics where my nails are all the same color. So I like to just randomly, you know, mix and match the colors and the variation of how they are. So the next color I'm going into is this sort of like really pretty mauve, sort of like lilac mix. So I really like that, and you'll see that with the glitter on my left hand. I believe this is my left hand, left or right, I don't know, but on my it's actually my left hand. On my left hand, you'll see that I had the glitter coral combo on the thumb and pinky. And then for my index, middle, and whatever that other finger is, I'm adding this lilac mauve mix. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other hand off camera as well, just because I didn't want it to be too much for you guys. So yeah, I just changed the combination of the way of the color arrangement, and here I'm just filing down. Okay, super cute. But yeah, follow me for more, guys, and there's a part 3. So if you are watching, this is part 3 of this episode of me doing my own acrylic nails amateur edition. But yeah, I definitely have part 1 and 2 already uploaded, so you can definitely check out how we got to this point. But here all you see is me going with a like an underside drill. I forget what this drill bit is called, but I'm just going through on the other side. I flip my hands over and just checking under the acrylic just to make sure that there is no bulkiness or anything like that, and I have a nice curve going. Okay, so yeah, this is the color palette that you are looking at. So definitely check out part 1 and 2, which I already have uploaded, so you can see how we got here. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch me here. Definitely drop down in the comments what you're thinking about this color combo, because when I picked it, honey, I did not know it was going to be this gorgeous. But yeah, definitely comment. And here I'm just going ahead and buffing the nails just to make sure that everything is smooth. There's no roughness. It's not, you know, gonna scrape up against my skin. And then the last final thing, I do have these crystals or jewels, whatever, I don't know, just jewels. So I'm going to accent one of my nails on top of the other glitter accents that I have going, and I'm just placing a big, sort of like a medium-sized jewel at the bottom and 2 small jewels at the top. Okay, so I'm doing that on any finger of the solid color that I have with that mauve and purple mix there, and I'm just using the wax stick to grab those and stick those on. So yeah, this is what they're looking like so far. And then I'm going ahead and applying my base coat, and look how that base coat is just flawless, glossy, classy, honey. I mean, you just can't get any better than this. Okay, so yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm putting the base coat over my other hand as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and cure it into the UV lamp. I do it for about It's about an hour and a no, not an hour. Oh my goodness, no. It's about a minute or a minute and a half that I cure, and then I applied my top coat and did the same thing. And here you just see me rubbing the cuticle oil, but oh my god, guys, look how cute. Make sure you follow me. Anyone who is interested in getting all of these items that I use to create this beautiful amateur nail acrylic look, you can definitely check out the description below, where I will link all of the products to my Amazon storefront so you guys can actually check those out and get this exact look for yourself. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to someone else who's interested.